Right now, millions of Americans are still doing chores by hand that a robot could finish in 30 minutes. They are paying for security systems that cannot move and living alone when they do not have to. Here are the 10 robots changing everything in 2026. At number 10, we have the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus by iRobot, priced at around $400 to $600. This is where most Americans first let a robot into their home, and for good reason. The Roomba J7 Plus uses precision vision navigation, meaning its onboard camera identifies and avoids obstacles in real time. Pet waste, charging cords, socks left on the floor. iRobot backs this up with what they call the POOP Guarantee Pet Owner Official Promise. If the robot runs over a pet accident, iRobot replaces it for free. The clean base dock stores up to 60 days of collected debris before needing a bag change. It learns your cleaning schedule, connects with Alexa and Google Assistant, and automatically starts when you leave the house. Simple, proven, and one of the most trusted robots in America. At number 9, we have the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra by Roborock, priced at around $1,299. The S8 Pro Ultra does not just vacuum, it vacuums, mops, and then cleans itself completely hands-free. Its dock automatically refills the water tank, washes the mop pads with hot water, and dries them using warm air to stop bacteria from growing. Suction power reaches 6,000 pascals. The dual rubber brush system handles both hard floors and carpet at the same time. This is full floor care in a single unit. For busy households looking to eliminate cleaning from their weekly routine entirely, the S8 Pro Ultra is the closest thing on the market to a full solution. At number 8, we have the Ecovacs D-Bot X2 Omni by Ecovacs, priced at around $1,199. Ecovacs built this machine around their AIVI 3D 2.0 obstacle detection system. It uses structured light, AI recognition, and laser-based mapping to create a precise floor plan of any home. Suction reaches 8,000 pascals, one of the highest numbers in its class. The X2 Omni also mops with pressurized scrubbing, and its all-in-one dock handles auto-emptying, auto-washing, auto-refilling, and drying without any manual steps. A real-time video feed is accessible through the Ecovacs app. This robot handles every stage of floor maintenance from start to finish without a single touch from the owner. At number 7, we have the Narwhal Frio X Ultra by Narwhal Robotics, priced at around $799. Most robot vacuums treat mopping as an afterthought. Narwhal built the Frio X Ultra around mopping first. Its triangular spinning mop pads apply consistent downward pressure across hard floors, and the dock washes those pads with clean water and dries them with warm air after every session. Narwhal's Dirt Sense technology monitors how dirty the water becomes in real time and automatically runs extra cleaning passes when heavy soiling is detected. For homes with hardwood, tile, or laminate floors, the Frio X Ultra delivers a level of clean that no vacuum-first robot can match. At number 6, we have the Amazon Astro by Amazon, priced at around $1,599. This is where the list moves past cleaning and into something far more significant. Amazon Astro is a home monitoring robot. It patrols rooms on its own, streams live video directly to any phone through Alexa, and can be assigned to check specific areas of the house. Astro recognizes faces. It knows the difference between family members and strangers, and alerts owners in real time when something unexpected is detected. Its periscope camera extends upward to check elevated surfaces like countertops and shelves. Astro is not a vacuum. It is a mobile security system that lives inside your home. At number 5, we have the Enabot Ebo X by Enabot, priced at around $299. For households that want home monitoring without the Astro price tag, the Ebo X is the answer. It streams 4K video, navigates floors autonomously, and can be controlled remotely from anywhere in the world through a mobile app. It docks and charges itself. Its built-in speaker enables two-way voice communication in real time. Parents use it to check on children. Pet owners use it to watch animals while away from home. At under $300, the EBO-X is one of the most affordable and most capable surveillance and companion robots available in 2026. At number 4, we have the EMO robot by Living, AI priced at around $299. EMO is a desktop AI companion roughly 4 inches tall. It moves on small treads, carries a face screen displaying over 1,000 animated expressions, and runs its own onboard AI, no phone or app required. EMO recognizes voices, remembers up to 128 different faces, holds basic conversations, plays music, and reacts to activity happening around it. Living. AI continues pushing software updates that expand its behavior over time. EMO is not a toy. It is one of the earliest examples of personality-driven AI living inside a physical device that sits on a desk. At number 3, we have the Luna AI Petbot by KEE Tech, priced at around $299. Where EMO is built around personality, Luna is built around emotion. It behaves like an animal, reacting to touch, sound, and nearby movement. It recognizes faces, follows people between rooms, plays interactive games, and expresses a wide range of moods. Its AI generates responses dynamically rather than pulling from a scripted set of answers. Luna has pulled in tens of millions of views across social platforms because watching it react feels genuinely surprising. For families, children, or anyone living alone, Luna offers something a smart speaker cannot: a physical, responsive presence that feels alive. At number 2, we have the Unitree G1 humanoid robot by Unitree Robotics, priced at around $16,000. Everything from number 10 to number 3 lives on a floor. The Unitree G1 stands upright. At approximately 4 feet tall and around 35 kilograms, the G1 is a fully bipedal humanoid robot now entering limited commercial use. Unitree priced the G1 significantly below competing humanoids, making it the first robot of its type accessible to universities, startups, and serious developers outside of major tech corporations. It walks, balances on uneven terrain, and manipulates objects with dexterous hands. The G1 represents the beginning of a product category that did not commercially exist just 3 years ago. And at number 1, we have the Tesla Optimus Gen 2 by Tesla, priced to be confirmed, with limited availability. Tesla began deploying Optimus Gen 2 units inside its own factories in 2024. Gen 2 walks faster than its predecessor, features a 22 degree of freedom hand capable of handling delicate objects, and runs onboard AI trained on the same data infrastructure powering Tesla's full self-driving system. Elon Musk has publicly stated that Tesla could manufacture millions of humanoid robots per year within this decade, with a long-term consumer target price that could fall below $30,000. Optimus is not on general sale today. But the cleaning robots, the security robots, and the AI companions on this list all exist because companies like Tesla are forcing the entire industry forward at a speed nobody predicted. The robots in your home today are impressive. What comes next will be in a completely different category.